Welcome to Beauty Lawn's YouTube channel. Today, we're going to introduce a new product called Sorali Hair Protein Treatment. If you're planning to do a rebond, I highly recommend trying out our product. It will give you better result for same amount of money without damaging your hair. This is a very easy to use product. A full hair protein treatment will take less than 2.5 hours. Now, one of our main instructors will demonstrate to you how to use the product step by step. The first step is to wash and dry the hair and section into 3 sections. Then take a handful of hair and apply Sorali hair protein treatment 3 grams for each set. Third step. Wash off 30% of Sorali hair protein treatment from the hair and dry it well using a blow dryer. Fourth and last step. Iron the hair using a flat iron on a temperature of 220 degrees Celsius.